15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wave detail, south 4 feet at 5 seconds and northwest 2 feet at 3 seconds. A chance of rain until midnight. Areas of fog. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less until midnight. Thursday, north winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Diminishing to 10 to 50 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
Thank heavens.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, and Delaware, Kentucky, in New Jersey, in Maryland, Carolina, Virginia, and Illinois, the coastal waters from Great Lake and Great Western Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of your weather radio all hazards. WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the official national threat of severe weather during the normal test time. The test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties, independent cities, and marine areas in and near the upper Delmarva Peninsula, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Steele, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including the adjacent